Hello students, welcome back to Easy Way to Learn Maths. In this session, we will discuss about the concyclic points. Concyclic points means the points on the circumference of the circle. Here, 4 points are given and it is asked to show that the points are concyclic. Concyclic means the points on the same circle or on the same circumference of the circle. Now, the procedure is here also. In the last class, what we have discussed, we find the equation of the circle passing through 3 given points. We have to adopt the same procedure to show that the given 4 points are concyclic. First of all, we have to derive the equation of the circle passing through the first 3 given points. Let us find the equation of the circle passing through A11, B minus 60 and C minus 2, 2. Then afterwards, after finding the equation of the circle, just simply we have to substitute the 4th point on that circle. If it satisfies, then the given 4 points are concyclic. Now let us follow the procedure. Let the required equation of the circle be as usual x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then since it is passing through first 3 points A, B and C, let us substitute the point here. Since equation 1 is passing to the point A, 1, 1. That is, in place of x we have to substitute 1 and in place of y we have to substitute 1. That is 1 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 1 plus c is equal to 0. So that we derived 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2, which is second equation. Similarly, it is also passing to the point B minus 6, 0. That is, in place of x we have to substitute minus 6 and in place of y we have to substitute 0. So that it becomes minus 12g plus 0f plus c is equal to minus 36, which is equation 3. Again, it is passing to the third point C minus 2 comma 2. So that in place of x we have to substitute minus 2 and in place of y we have to substitute 2. It becomes minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 8. Now, by using these three equations, we have to solve for g, f and c values. We already explained, whenever there are 3 unknowns, there must be 3 minimum number of equations required to find those unknown values. Here, by using 2, 3 and 4, we have to find the values of g, f and c. Let us cancel first of all the c values from 2 and 3. Then 2 minus 3 implies, subtracting 3 from 2, we will get 14g plus 2f is equal to 34. By taking 2 common, we get 7g plus f is equal to 17. Similarly, by considering 3 and 4, let us subtract 4 from 3, then we will get minus 8g minus 4f is equal to minus 28. Taking 4 as common, minus 2g minus f is equal to minus 7, which is equation 6. Now, let us observe these two equations. Here, these two equations are in terms of only g and f. So that we can solve g and f values by using these two equations. Now, let us solve. Then, 5 plus 6 implies we are adding. Then, plus f minus f get cancelled and 7g minus 2g, it becomes 5g. 17 minus 7 it becomes 10. So that g is equal to 2. Then again, substituting the value of g in the equation 6, it becomes minus 2 into 2 minus f is equal to minus 7. So that f value becomes 3. Again, to find the value of c, let us substitute these two values in equation 2. We can substitute either 2 or 3 or 4. Let us substitute in equation 2. Then it becomes 2 into 2, 2 into 3 plus c is equal to minus 2. So that c becomes minus 12. That is what we have to find. We have to find the values of g, f and 3 unknowns. Let us substitute these 3 values in the required equation of the circle. X square plus y square plus 2 into, in place of g value 2, f in place of f 3, f value is 3 and c is nothing but minus 12. So that the required equation of the circle becomes x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. It is the procedure what we have adopted in the previous session also to find the equation of the circle passing through 3 given points. Here also we are adopting the same procedure to find the equation of the circle passing through these three given points. And here the question is to show that the given 4 points are consecutive. That means just simply we have to substitute the fourth point on the required equation of the circle. If it satisfies, then we can conclude that the given 4 points are consecutive. Now let us substitute this fourth point on the circle what we have derived. Therefore, let us substitute the value of -2, -8 in the equation of this circle. That is, in place of x, we have to substitute -2, and in place of y, we have to substitute -8. So that -2 whole square, -8 whole square, 4 into -2 plus 6 into -8 -12, which is nothing but 4 plus 64 -8 -48 -12. 64 plus 4, 68, and 48 plus 12, 60 plus 8, 68, plus 68 minus 68 get cancelled. That is equal to 0. That is nothing but the fourth point satisfying the given equation of the required equation of the circle. That is, it is also a point on that circle, and hence the 4 points are consecutive. Let us discuss some other problem. Now let us solve another problem based on consecutive points. Here it is given that if 2, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5 and 0, C are consecutive, then find the value of C. That means here already given the 4 points are consecutive. That is, the 4 points are on the same cycle, that is on the circumference of the circle. And hence, let us find first of all the circle which is passing through the first 3 points, that is A, B and C. Same procedure. Let the required equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here A, B and C are on the circumference of the circle. Let us substitute A, B and C in this equation. Since A lies on equation 1, what we have derived? 4g and that means in place of x we have to substitute 2, and in place of y we have to substitute 0, and hence it becomes 4g plus 0f plus c is equal to -4. And let us substitute b in this equation. That is, in place of x we have to substitute 0, and in place of y we have to substitute 1, and hence it becomes 0z plus 2f plus c is equal to -1. And similarly, c is also a point on equation 1. Let us substitute x equal to 4 and y equal to 5, so that it becomes 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to -41. And again same procedure. By using these three equations, we have to find the values of g, f and c. Let us solve. Applying 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 implies second equation 4g plus 0f plus c is equal to -4. Third equation 0z plus 2f plus c is equal to -1. Subtraction, minus, 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 plus. Here c get cancelled. Then 4g, here minus 2f is equal to -3. 4g minus 2f is equal to -3. Say equation 5. And similarly 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 implies third equation 0z plus 2f plus c is equal to -1. Fourth equation 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to -41. Again minus, 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 plus. C cancelled. Here minus 8g minus 10 plus 2 minus 8f is equal to 40. Let us take 8 common. That implies minus g minus f is equal to 5. Minus g minus f is equal to 5. Say equation 6. Now by solving 5 and 6 we can get the values of g and f. Now equation 5 implies 4g minus 2f plus 3 is equal to 0. Equation 6 is minus g minus f minus 5 is equal to 0. Now let us solve. G, F, 1. Here F coefficient minus 2, constant 3, G coefficient 4, then again minus 2. Second equation, F coefficient minus 1, constant minus 5, G coefficient minus 1 and again minus 1. Therefore, G by 10 minus of minus 3, that is nothing but plus 3. That is equal to F by minus 3 minus of minus 20, therefore plus 20 is equal to 1 by minus 4 minus 2. Therefore, G by 13 is equal to F by 17 is equal to 1 by minus 6. Therefore, G is equal to minus 13 by 6. F is equal to minus 17 by 6. Now, let us substitute these two values in equation 2. Then from 2, in place of G, just we are substitute minus 13 by 6. Therefore, 4 into minus 13 by 6 plus C is equal to minus 4. That implies here 2 3s are 2 2s are. Therefore, minus 26 by 3. Therefore, minus 26 by 3 plus C is equal to minus 4. Therefore, C is equal to minus 4 plus 26 by 3. Here C is equal to minus 12 plus 26 by 3. That implies C is equal to 26 minus 12, 14 by 3. And hence, by substituting these three values G, F and C, you can find the equation of the circle passing through these 3 points. Substituting G, F and C in equation 1. Therefore, x square plus y square plus 2 into G. Here G is minus 13 by 6. X plus 2 into F minus 17 by 6 y plus C. C is 14 by 3. Therefore, here 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Here also 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Therefore, x square plus y square minus 13 by 3x minus 17 by 3y plus 14 by 3 is equal to 0, which is the equation of the circle passing through first 3 points, that is A, B and C. And here in the problem it is given that all the 4 points are consecutive. That means the 4th point is also on this equation of circle, that is it has to satisfy this equation. Now let us check whether it satisfies or not. If it is satisfies, then the 4 points are consecutive. It is already given consecutive, that must be satisfy the equation of the circle. Substituting D 0C in the above equation. That is, in place of x you have to substitute 0 and in place of y you have to substitute C. Therefore, 0 plus C square minus 0 minus 17 by 3 C plus 14 by 3 is equal to 0. Then simply here the LCM is C, 3. Therefore, 3C square minus 17C plus 14 is equal to 0. Let us solve. Therefore, 3C square minus 3C minus 14C plus 14 is equal to 0. Taking 3C common here. Therefore, 3C into C minus 1. Here minus 14 common. Here also C minus 1 is equal to 0. Again C minus 1, C minus 1. Therefore, C minus 1 into here 3C minus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore, the C values are C is equal to 1, C is equal to 14 by 3. Here C becomes 1, then the point is nothing but 0, 1. It is already given 0, 1. and hence the C value is, therefore C is equal to 14/3. Okay, with this we conclude this session. Thank you for watching.